Hello everyone, and today, here we have the exact same problem, except this thing is different. So now let's see if we can get the answer, which we will. So, A can go this path once, this path once, this path once, this path once, and here 1, 1, 1. So now, which means this point, there is going to be two ways that A can go through, this way and this way. And A can go through this way 0 times, because we cannot go through the eggs if you read the questions. So this way is 3, this way is 4, and this way is 1, because of what we taught earlier, that if there is no point here, then it just carries on to this point, which it just goes up. So that's just going to be 1. Or you can just count it, just one pathway. And this is 2, because there's 1 and 1 path this way, so that's going to be 2. This is 3 because it carries on. This is 7. This is 4. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 way. And this is 11. And this is going to be 4. This is 11, 22, 6, 2, 8, 17, 25, 39, and a 64 ways. A very short video, but that is good. So, I here say that it's a bye. Bye.